South Central Pennsylvania GMRS group for May 12th, 2021.
There we go.
This is
Welcome all on the live stream. We are live.
Ooh.
Talk to the world, man.
Currently cloudy skies on Mount Holly Summit. The temperature is 55 Fahrenheit, 13 Celsius. And the wind is out of the north-northwest at 4 miles per hour. Our group's repeater is located at coordinates 40 degrees, 5 minutes, 52 seconds north latitude, and 77 degrees, 12 minutes, 12 seconds west longitude, and is 1,505 feet above mean sea level, and located 2 miles south of Mount Holly Springs, Pennsylvania, on Mount Holly Summit. The receive antenna is located at the top of our 180-foot tower and monitors 460.
So this is our GMRS repeater.
Okay, wow.
The audio is coming in from KC3OLO's computer. Because with the leaves on the tree, I can't hear it. It really sucks.
Now, I will be announcing your name this evening, your call sign, that is, not your name. That is, if you participated in the check-in within the past 4 weeks. When I do call your call sign, I'll pause for you to respond. So please include your name and location. I'll call for new, late, or missed stations once I've completed my list. I'll now begin our check-in. WRFL 218.
That was local traffic to his radio.
WRFL 218.
So FRS crosses with GMRS on their frequencies.
Thank you, Doug and Sandy. Loud and clear this week.
So normal traffic can do simplex. Anyone can do simplex. It's completely open to them.
Wow.
But to use a repeater, then you have to have the license for it, which I'm planning on purchasing this Friday.
Mike?
Wow.
WRK 307.
So I don't know if you can see Mike's call sign, but it's WRCU 729. And then his ham call sign is KC3ROR.
Oh.
And then Josh is WQYX 334.
Fiona, Garrett, Colton, Amanda, Brian. WRNC 362.
And these guys, they're spread all over the place. I mean, this repeater, it wouldn't surprise me if you pointed a beam towards us, you could actually hear this thing.
Wow.
Yeah, the coverage on it is ridiculous. I want them to turn the power up more, but you know, you can put a repeater up anywhere, put a call sign on it, done. You don't have to coordinate it or deal with any of that.
Thank you, Pat, and thanks very much for checking in. WQRC 490.
WQRC 490. Good evening, John. Everyone on the net. No traffic.
I think next picnic,
checking in.
We're gonna have to do like a Facebook Live or something up at the repeater site.
WRKU 502.
Wow, that'd be good.
Put it right on. Yeah, I guess I'd have to use Kathy's phone.
WRCJ 532.
Well, I don't know. I don't know if admins can do it.
RCJ 532, Tibbin Mechanicsburg, no transmission.
I would think that an admin would be able to.
And thanks for checking in.
What?
WQAD 551.
I know I could do it for my Facebook page, but I don't know if we could do it hosting the club.
WRCH 578.
What? Yes. Sounds good, doesn't it?
RJK 590.
Until it's over. Until it's over.
Okay, 590. Jason in East York. No traffic, sir. Have a good evening.
Well, thank you, Jason.
Question.
Same, and thanks for checking
What's that?
in. WRJA 597.
I can't use my ham call sign GMRS because it's a different frequency, right?
Different service.
That is correct.
Oh,
One, believe that was you, WRJA 597.
You have to acquire both of them. The GMRS is just purchasing it. $70.
oh,
$70, it's yours. Your whole family can use it. Your wife can use it. Your kid can use it. Your mom can use it. Your dad can use it.
wow.
You know, there's a whole list of things. I think even your wife's mom and dad can use it, if I remember right.
Yeah, like your
7, Dave and
wife would be like unit 2, your kid would be unit 3, 4, depending on how many kids you have, that kind of thing.
by the way,
You're the prime, so you're always unit 1.
Oh, okay.
WRKU 643.
You'll hear them checking in here. There's one that's got like 4 or 5 kids in there.
Mm.
RAC 649.
But you pay $70, your whole family can use it. You don't have to worry about a knowledge test.
9, Unit 1, Bob, and
So here you go.
RAC 649, Unit 2, Kathy.
Those two are the owners of this repeater that we're listening to.
Wow.
WRKB 658.
Really awesome people.
Yeah.
this group is really awesome.
5-8, Andrew, Lower Island, no traffic.
They still haven't told me the story. The last inside dinner that we had, they almost got in fight with a group of bikers.
Oh boy.
I'm not sure who that was, but yeah.
Oh man.
One of these days, I'm gonna hear about this one.
M661.
Just let me know.
Yeah, awesome group of bunch. They're willing to help anyone out.
RDU 664.
See, John, he's the one that's talking here. He's what would you say? His living room is approximately 50 foot to the repeater shack.
YW.
And then the
Wow.
transmitting antenna, he's probably
Yes, this is WQYW
200 feet up vertically.
Pennsylvania.
Wow.
He's sitting like right underneath the thing. Like, it's amazing.
John, loud and clear this evening.
He could sit there with no antenna on his radio and pick up the repeater full scale. He could get a dummy load, put a dummy load on his radio, and still hit the repeater.
Wow.
Thank you, Ryan.
Wow.
And if that doesn't work, then he can just go out there to it, grab the mic, and talk through the repeater. That's probably what I would end up doing.
JF 728.
Do you check into any nets down in Richmond?
2-8, Bobby in Mechanicsburg. Good evening.
Yeah, they had one yesterday, which I didn't attend.
Thank you.
They have one on Mondays
RF
and Thursdays.
732.
See, I'm trying to think. I gotta get a map.
RKB 757.
Does the GMRS radios, do they basically the same thing as
5.
So
ham radio antennas?
it's basically the same thing. I'll describe more detail after this.
Okay.
But essentially, they have type listed radios to work on GMRS and radios to work on ham radio. And you're supposed to purchase the correct radio for each one. Now, hams, we have a lot wider width of what we can purchase in the United States versus GMRS.
Thank you.
There's only certain radios that are allowed on GMRS, and we shall comply to that.
Okay.
RMI 867, Randy from Hanover, PA.
Thank you, Randy. You're coming in loud and clear this evening. WRHR 872.
But as for like the antennas and stuff, the radios, it's almost all the same radios.
Right.
On how everything's built. So your antenna that you use on ham has a high possible chance of being able to be tuned or already tuned, a harmonic, be able to work in the GMRS portion. And that's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
The GMRS is limited to 50 watts.
WRBK 911. Harriet Miller.
Okay.
Let's see.
Thank you for telling me that.
Good evening.
Not too many radios that could do that high.
WRF
Someone will do 40.
93.
There's a Ocean radio that'll do 50, and then I think it's B-Tech was the other one that does 50. Most of the other ones are 50 watts or less.
965.
I was thinking about buying a
Good evening, John. This is
brick for 440.
965. John in New Cumberland. No traffic.
I want to build one, but it's a matter of getting the components.
Thank you, and thanks for checking
Right.
in. WRDJ 976.
Can you hear DC's repeaters from down there?
Thank you, Joe. WRFR 982.
Yes, go ahead again.
Can you hear DC's repeater from down there?
DC. I never tuned. I never tuned. That's something I want to do.
Yeah, because there are DMR repeaters and stuff like that. If you
time to take any stations that might be new.
I might have to run out. I might have to converse on Facebook with this. I had to run out and get my DMR radio.
Okay.
DMR has the ability to use internet. And if you have a node that is close to you, or if you get your own node, it's like $100 for the node. You can connect into the DMR system and talk all around the world.
Wow.
My first contact was Ireland on the worldwide channel.
Wow.
Which is really cool.
Categories, check in now.
Oh yeah.
You remember the old Nextels?
Yeah.
It's that they took the Nextel, the Nextel function, and grafted it onto ham radio.
Wow, they modified it.
Jamie, thank you. I got you. And
Wow.
See, I got lucky. I have a W3 IRS repeater system sitting out my back door.
And you just tried to check in. Check in again, please.
That thing I can hit without an antenna.
Wow.
It is ridiculous.
Wow.
Now, granted, I don't know how well I'm making it, but it's workable.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Thanks for checking in. Now I'm suspecting.
But I can key it up on time slot 2 and put in whatever channel group I want.
Go for it, please.
From using that repeater, I could open up a channel into Washington State.
Wow.
Or I could, most time I put it into worldwide and then go on the worldwide channel, call CQ, and I got worldwide usage. Like, you know.
Holy cow.
New, late, or missed.
Now,
please check in.
with that, you got to write a code plug to do it. It is a little bit of a trip to do it, but it's not too bad. Once you get it established, then it's working. It's mainly finding out what your repeaters have, unless you go and purchase your own hotspot for it.
Late or missed.
I do have I do have Echo Link on my phone. I talked to somebody from here. I could barely hear him, but I talked to him. He was in Windsor, Canada, and I heard him in there.
Yeah. Okay. Echo Link is the same thing.
I was hearing earlier.
So I can use that.
It's
to talk.
It's using internet to go to repeaters that are linked through Echo Link.
Right.
And there's repeater systems that are grouped up on there. It's a different mode. But yeah, you can use your phone to do Echo Link.
Oh.
It's just a different service.
Right.
Okay, well, let's go back through for a round of comments. Those of you that did not want to comment or had no transmission, I did take note of that. So hopefully I will be able to do what you like. Anyway, Doug and Sandy, they're in York Springs. Any comment you'd like to make?
WRSL 218, Unit 2, Sandy.
Just enjoying our nice spring weather. We finally got the deck done, and tomorrow we're about ready to open up the pool. We just need some warmer weather. Back to you, John.
That sounds like fun.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
Cindy, I think you're going to be getting your wish here. It looks like each day the temperatures to get a little warmer. It's still going to be in the 60s Thursday, Friday, but Saturdays to hit 70, Sunday 72, and looks like Monday back to 67, Tuesday 71. Hey, next Wednesday, 1 week from today, 75. Okay, hope get the pool open there as soon as you want. WRFF 218, Mike in York Springs. Any comments?
RFF 218. Oh, not too much. Not a very busy week this week. Had some nice weather though. Could go for some overcast though. Being outside all day, the sun gets a little brutal.
Can you hear any Ocean City, Maryland repeaters?
Got some Kathy's out there listening. Do you plan on? Okay.
I never tried. It's a possibility.
Add me to the list.
It's a very good possibility. I
Try
can.
to bring something, but I might have a busy Saturday.
But I never tried.
We'll see how that.
I'm planning on taking the ham rig down with me and working CQ from the beach.
WRFF
Oh wow, that'd be so much fun.
Okay, Mike, thank you. And
That'd be so much fun.
Better find yourself a hat.
So that's what I was wondering.
It's going to be sunny tomorrow and mostly sunny Friday, and on Sunday.
Like I don't know, like maybe if
mostly sunny.
y'all wanting to go to the beach in Maryland, maybe.
Springs,
I can meet y'all there, or however it's best for y'all.
Hey, 30. This family has some exciting news. After next week, I am changing positions. Actually, after this week, I'm changing positions, but the handoff takes a week. I'm actually coming home.
I'm not sure. It's
I'm
not up yet.
Staying with
okay.
But I'm giving up the whole maintenance management career and going a different path with it. So I will be able to listen to the day-to-day shenanigans on the repeater and chime in here and there when I'm not on conference calls. So that's our latest breaking news. So back to you, John.
Okay.
Yeah, once I get firmed up with like what I'm doing down there, I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing yet.
Oh, okay.
But I need a vacation.
Position and get ready for Act 2. That's great. Josh already told me earlier in the week he wasn't going to be able to check in, so that's why I didn't call on him. So let's go on down to Ashley there at WQQF 399. Your comments, Ashley.
Yeah, the little sucker is going on a free venture there.
I just had the second week of puppy classes with Chloe, and let's say she got distracted by the other puppies and trying to wrestle with them, and when the teachers try and teach her how to do the leash training, and oh my, she wore me out. I think I put her in a cage and told her to take a nap now.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Did the repeater shut off?
Oh man.
Oh no. Mike, are you able to hear the repeater?
I am not.
Are you normally able to hear it, or?
I'll be honest, I haven't tried yet. I don't have a legal GMRS radio quite yet, and I haven't had a chance to get that dongle that you had preferred me to get.
I got you.
Oh man.
Oh shit! I bet you the radio crashed, or not the radio. I'm sending a message out here. So, yeah. Meanwhile, that was unexpected.
I'm sorry that happened.
I don't think I can hear the repeater. Wow, that was interesting. Let's see, where's... Well, that's what it sounded like to me. Huh. Well, that's not good. Let's see if they're responding here.
What kind of radio are they using? Is it a regular radio or is it software driven?
No, it's a regular radio. The problem is I got a feeling the computer went to sleep. Okay, well, that kind of sucks. Well, I guess we'll go ahead and end the live stream a little bit early tonight. We'll be back up. The normal guy will be in the hot seat for the radio control next week. So yeah, we'll be good. Yeah, if there's anything you guys can think of bringing to the table technical wise, please do. Anyone listening online, if you guys want to join the live stream, please jump in, send me a message, let me know. All is welcome. You don't have to live in the area. You don't have to be a part of GMRS. You guys can be from anywhere. It doesn't matter. That's why we built the group the way we did. So, anyways, I'll say 7-3s to the guys in the live stream, and have a good night. Please make sure you subscribe.